Hey guys, I hope you're okay. This is a video of how Bitdefender Mobile Security works. We download it in Android apps in our mobile. This is the first page of this app. As you see, you have first tick I agree with the subscription agreement, and then tap on continue, and the program start. And first it wants from us an email. If you have an account in this program, you can write it here, or if you doesn't have it, you can create one here. And first set your name in English. For example, I write my name, and then I enter my email address here, and then you have to select a strong password here for yourself, and then you should also tick here I agree with the terms of use and privacy policy here, and then create an account. And also you can, as you see, waiting. Okay, as you see, it asks us we have to allow it to send his notifications to our mobile, which can say that is allowed, it's necessary for you. And also, as you see in this page, you can buy it for only $24 a year, and also you can buy monthly subscription for only almost $2. And you see, and also we can here we see the dashboard here, and we want to see how it's first work. Also, for more here, as you see, we have VPN, anti-theft, account privacy, app lock. It's when you want to buy a premium version of this program, it will work here. But we have setting here. As you see, we have protection status here. As we can see, it said that the notification is needed to be displayed on your mobile, which you have to on it because it wants to alarm for you that if it wants to any viruses in your mobile, if it notifies for you. And also we have scan storage here, which include device storage in memory scan, which you can tick it or not, on it or not. And also, if you want to on it, it asks you for permission needed according to your mobile, because you have to allow it for a storage permission here, which I allow it here, and also I allow it here. And also we have web protection. For example, if you want to check any website, if there any problem with that site, it will check it for you. And also we have VPN, which quick VPN, you can use it here. And also you can open Wi-Fi warning. For example, if there any problem with open Wi-Fi, which I tick it here. And also you have to allow it according to your location, which you can tick it the first choice while using the app. And also we have anti-theft security pin code. For example, when you wants to use pin, when you want to lock any of your program, which you can set a pin for any program which doesn't need it right now here. And also you can have a require unlock every time. For example, you can choose preferred unlocking behavior. As you see, for example, required unlock every time, or keep it unlocked until the screen off, or lock after 30 seconds, which is a good option for this program. It's depend on you which you want to choose. And also we have smart unlock. For example, if you want to connect to any program, you can tick it here. And also for every program you have to use the pin code for that. And also we have use biometrics, which you can use your fingerprint or face recognition to unlock protect app according to you. And also we have for app lock, for example, according to photo, which you have to enable this first go to the app log here, which doesn't work because it's not active here. And also we have report. For example, it's a new report notification according to program come to your mobile. And also you have general setting here, which increase detection visibility. For example, 3D detection alerts can always appear on top of other apps. And also we have a feedback message here. See informative message outside the app to have feedback on running operation. And also we have send reports. If is there any problem, it can send to the program. Also we have a theme here, for example light mode, which we take, or dark mode. This is a dark mode of this app, which we say on system default. And also about is you can see the version of this program, and subscription agreement and privacy policy and third party license terms about this app. And other things, as you see near the setting, is not working here, which I say back. I want to first leave the app. I want to leave the app first, and I want to open the app again. As you see, this page come to me. You have to buy, because Bitdefender is a very good antivirus app. Also we have it for PC, and it's a very strong antivirus, which you can use it for your mobile or your PC. But you should not forget, first I open it. As you see, tap to secure your traffic. I open it, and also unfortunately you have to first buy it for, if you want to use all of them. You cannot use it just for anything else. And if you want to buy it, you can take it and also buy the premium version, and it's a very powerful app.